Hi guys, now we are going to see one program. This is the question: implement the following operation in a single linked list. Instruction operation at the front of list, at the end of the list, and any at any position in the list. Rotation of an element from the list, displaying all the element in the list. Expected input and output. This is a skeleton code. Check the instruction at the beginning. Check the instruction at the question. Check the instruction at the end. This is the skeleton code. Based on this, we are going to see the code for this question. The skeleton code. Let's see the code. This is the code. First, we are giving class node, and we are just defining this self comma data, and then we are giving self dot data is equal to data, and then self dot next is equal to none. Then we are creating another one class as linked list, and then we are defining this linked list, and then we are giving self dot head is equal to none. Then we are defining insert front, and then inside that self dot data, and then we are giving new node is equal to node data. Just defining insert back. First we have defined insert front, and then we are just defining insert back, and then if not self dot head, self dot head is equal to new node. Okay, we are just returning, just we are giving return. Then we are giving t is equal to self dot head. We are using while function, and then inside of that t dot is not none. If it is not, uh, print is not none. Then we are giving t is equal to t dot next. T dot next is equal to new node. Then we are defining insect after self dot data dot x, and then new node is equal to node data, and then t is equal to self dot t. We are using while function. Inside of that t and the t dot data is equal to x. Then we are using if statement inside of that, we are just giving t, and then this is t. Then we are giving new node dot next is equal to t dot next. Then we are defining delete after self dot x. We are using if statement self dot head t is equal to self dot head. We are using while function, and then we are giving t is equal to t dot next. We are just giving t1 is equal to t dot next. T dot next is equal to t dot one next. We are just defining delete front. Then we are defining for definition is here, and then we are just giving a statement self dot head t is equal to self dot is equal to t dot next. We are deleting t. Then we are again defining delete end. We are using if statement instead of that, say, self dot head t is equal to self dot head. If not, t dot next delete t. Self dot head is equal to none. We are returning the statement. We are using while function. Then we are just give a delete t dot next. Then it become t dot next is equal to none. Then we are deleting defining display self, and then we are just giving while statement. We are just printing. If it is true, it will print d dot data. Then we are giving defining delete front self, and then if self dot head t is equal to self dot head is equal to t dot next. We are just deleting t. We are just defining another, say, delete dot end. If we are using if statement self dot head t is equal to self dot head. If not, t dot next. We are deleting a t. Self dot head is equal to none. It's become none. We are returning the statement while t dot next t is equal to next dot head. We are deleting t dot next. T dot next is equal to none. We are just printing inside of at front, inside at end. insert after, delete front, delete after, delete end, display, and etc. And then we are just giving char is equal to int input. We are giving an input, it's our choice. It will ask in the output, we when we give the choice, it will print output. We are giving inside front, inside back, and then else it elif char w is equal to 4, and then else char w is equal to 5, else char w is equal to 6. We are just giving, and then else we are breaking the code. When I give exit, automatically it stop. That's it. This is the output. Thank you for watching. Thank you.